Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you app secure mobile security how to enable. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in my app secure and then simply sign in or log into the portal. Now once logged in, select add device, then choose the appropriate option to install protection on your current device or send a downloaded link to another device. Then once that's done, head over back and then open up your app store, and then on the search bar you can simply type in app secure, and then once the app loads, tap on the app and download the app from there. Now once downloaded, open up the app and then be sure to be logged into your account with your credentials, then sign in, and then once you do that, your app secure account will be activated for protection. By transitioning to app secure total, you ensured continued and comprehensive protection for your mobile devices. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.